Alright, first attempt at installing the GoPro bodyboard mount. Instructions say that you should position the mount at least 4 inches or 10.1 centimeters below the nose and at least 2 inches 5 centimeters away from the rail or stringer. Why don't you pick your bottom up with this pencil? So, using the tape measure, the plug for the bodyboard leash is about 10 centimeters below the nose. So if I line it up off that, that should give me what I'm after. So 5 centimeters in, measure 5 centimeters in, off there, and it's about there. Use a Sharpie marker to do that. Right. Position it there. Using this little arrow that GoPro giving you to figure out which way the GoPro is going to point, because apparently once you punch this thing through, it's not going to move. So, hand there should be fine, and there should be fine. Shouldn't get me in the gob anywhere. So, yep. Well, this board's 20 years old. So I'm going to punch a hole through with a screwdriver as suggested, but I'm going to use a drill to punch it through the bottom of it because it seems like a bit of a hard plastic. I'm not sure whether a screwdriver will punch through it. Alright, the old faithful, 20 years old. Phillips head. I say not to do the hole any wider than 9.5 millimeters. Well, here goes nothing. That went through rather easy. Now, there's the plastic bottom. See if I can do it. As you can see, it's taken some getting through, and we're through. That wasn't too bad. I'll just clear all this off, and you can see the screwdriver's gone through rather easily. Give it a bit of a pull it back out. It's a tight fit as you can see. Make the hole a bit wider. A bit wider. I don't want to go any more than what they say. Now, they don't actually explain whether to put the screw in first or whether you want to put, so place a mount in, do not push fully, slide mounting arrow into the mount and rotate to find the desired capture angle. After the capture angle, push the mount to the board using the palm of your hand, be sure to press straight down, then you mount the screw. I've chosen the smallest screw, so there's the mount. It's about the angle of the GoPro. This looks good. Alright. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. Alright. Still got enough room with my hand, which is good. Alright, let's push down. Now, flip the board over. Now, insert the screw. This is going to be interesting. I may have to widen that hole a bit. Like that. Push the plastic back in. Like I said, this is a 20-year-old board. I'm not sure if the slick bottoms have changed over the years. So, round, round, round. And they say grab a coin and screw it in with a coin. I'll just get to a coin. I think I've got my pocket. I'm going to go get a bigger coin. Alright, 20-cent piece this time. So we go this. So I don't want to use my hands. Okay, use it. Okay. Seems to be. Yep, the mount hasn't. The GoPro mount hasn't moved. The GoPro mount isn't moving at all as you tighten this up, which is really good. Keep going with it piece on piece. Keep turning. Keep turning. Doesn't seem to be getting any tighter. I'm just not sure where that's actually locked in. There we go for a second. No, that isn't taken. So if this moves. Oh, that moves. No, that isn't taken properly. So I've got to try it again. Some of the videos I've seen, apparently you can hear it winding in or something like that, so let's try again. Oops. Okay. Oh, there we go. That sounds better. Click, click, click. That sounds like it's in. Didn't hear that last time. Yeah, it seems like it's pretty well stuck in place. So, by the looks of it, it's mounted. I don't have the GoPro with me because it's a Christmas present. So it's always a bit freaky when you're doing it to your own stuff in case you bugger it up. And it's not a prize or something that sponsors are giving you. So hopefully this will help anyone else out that's looking to do one on their own bodyboard but not too sure whether they'll break theirs or not. Alright guys. Oh, thank you.